This how to 1 minute will show you how to enable checkout on Shopify store. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard and click on settings. Click on checkout. And here you will jump into checkout settings page. You will get this option here, customer contact method. Select what contact method customers use to check out. You can select phone number or email, or you can select only email. And you can require the customer to log into their account before checkout from here. Customer information. Only require last name, or you can enable require first and last name. Company name, you can select any of them. So customize these options from here and scroll down. Marketing option, let customers sign up for email or SMS marketing. You can enable email or SMS. And you can enable tip option in checkout page from here. You can change the value for preset 1, preset 2 and preset 3. Address collection preference, you can modify these settings from here. Order processing, after an order has been paid, automatically fulfill the order's line items, automatically fulfill only the gift cards of the order. I'm selecting this first one. You can change the checkout page language from here, then click on save, and that's how we can set up checkout on Shopify store. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe how to 1 minute. See you in the next video.